Hi everyone, thanks for joining Let's Talk with Shayna. I'm Shayna, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to refer a friend. So by doing that, you would get $20 off a future order, and your friend would get $10 off their very first order by using your referral link. So to do that, we are going to go to your account to find your referral link. So that's just going to be the little person icon in the top right corner of our website, which is now wowskinscience.com. So let's go to the account page. And if you've never set up your account before, you're going to fill out new customer. Whether you have 100 orders with us or not, if you've never set up your account, you are considered a new customer on this page. But if you've set it up already, you're going to fill out returning customer, such as myself, and click login. And then that's going to take you to a security check. So for that, you're just going to want to click I am not a robot. And that'll bring up a little security thing for you. So you want to click all of the ones that have whatever it is they're asking. So for me, it's a crosswalk. And then once you get that green check mark, just click on submit. And that is going to bring you into your account. Now to get your referral link, you're going to click on My WOW Pro Points and Rewards. And sometimes it does take a little minute for it to pop up. So once that comes up there, let's just give it a second to load. Now, I do want to let you know that this does only work for the person being referred's first order. So if they've ever ordered with us before, or even if their email is in our system, it will not work. They have to be completely new and in turn referred to the product. If they've already tried it, then they're not being referred. They're just reordering at that point. So do make sure that it is their first time purchasing with us and their very first time pretty much interacting with us. And that will make sure that it is a first time purchase. Why is it taking so long to load? Okay. Seems like it should be coming up soon. There it is. Alrighty, so to get your referral link, you do have to scroll down a little bit and you'll see refer a friend, and it does keep track of how many times you've referred someone. And so here is your link that you're going to want to share with your friend. So we're going to copy that and put it in a new tab here, just so that you're able to walk your friend through it too. So once you're there, the website's going to look the exact same as it would normally at first. But you do have to bear with it. It does take a little bit to load, but there will be a pop-up in this corner here in just a minute once it loads. That's going to ask for their email. So this is just simply to verify that it is their first order. It is their first time interacting with WOW Skin Science. And then in here, they're going to want to put their email address that has never interacted with WOW before and click claim your gift. That will automatically put that $10 off on their purchase. Otherwise, they're just going to build their cart just like normal, same as you would any other order, and check out the exact same. But this step here, the putting in your email, is what gets them that $10 and gets you that 20. If they do not do this step, they will not get that and you will not get that. So do make sure that they are waiting for that pop-up because there is a bit of a delay. So absolutely, absolutely make sure to do that. Once they have done that, you would have to go to your points account to get the discount code for that 20% off. So that would be in your rewards. Now, since I haven't referred any, I don't have anything here, but as an example, we're going to use my $1 off coupon that I have here, and you would want to copy this code and put it in your discount code box at your checkout to get the $20 off. I hope this was helpful, and of course, if you do have any questions or anything like that, definitely feel free to give us a call, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.